Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the bell notification icon. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how the PayU option in Facebook Manager ads work. Are you getting what I'm saying? That is the best payment method for Nigerians. Now, this is the Facebook ads app, okay? The application, the interface. When I click on these settings down here, look at this click on my screen. When I click on it right here, you're going to see payment. Okay, when we click on payment right now, you're going to see the actual the payment place. Are you getting what I'm saying? That is the prepaid balance. You're going to see 2,000 naira. We still have 2003 here. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, notice this. If I click on add funds, okay, if I pretend as if I want to add fund right now, you're going to see something, add payment method. You're going to see debit or credit card, which is the most popular thing for all Nigerians or for most people. We're going to see another second payment method, which is Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa, PayU. Do you understand? So if you don't have this kind of payment method in your Facebook cards account, you can chat this number on the screen right now, 09039737356. You are going to see the number, the link to my WhatsApp inbox in the description box below. Hit on it and you can contact me on WhatsApp. You know, if you have payments paying for any kind of ads, anything, just contact me on WhatsApp and I will be able to, you know, solve the problem for you. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. We have many videos on Facebook ads, Google ads payment method. Just try to watch everything and see you on the next video. Thank you.